So the recent project I've been working on is getting all this cleaned up, right? All this stuff here used to be this, and a lot of other stuff used to be scattered from the shelves all the way past that truck. And just a lot of stuff that didn't need to be here anymore. So today's project, though, Thomas, he wants to do some fabricating because he wants to. So anyways, he's taking welding in school, so he's like, you know, I'm gonna do some welding this weekend. All right, so we got a project today. We're gonna take all these quick hitches, and we're gonna build a rack for them, so they're not, right now they're sitting on that hook, that sheet of steel. Some are in the mud. Yeah, these were summer quick hitches before. Some are here, some are there. They were just a little bit everywhere. So anyways, that's what we're doing. He's getting his coveralls on now, and we're gonna see what we can come up with today. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we're gonna dry out this Thomas. Anyways, all right, so we're gonna make a rack here. We're gonna have two side view, a disc blade. Okay, we're gonna go up with two legs at 36 inches, and we got, these are 163. Then we're gonna, so that's the side view, and then there's gonna be two of them side by side, so end view would be like disc blade, and then there'll be cross piece welded in there, like so. And probably, I need to go measure a quick hitch to see how far. I don't want to get it too wide, then it won't fit. So, question mark. Okay, sweet. Let's do this. All right, Thomas. You show them what you made?
It's a holder for something.
Quick hitches.
Quick hitches?
Quick hitches, yep. There we go. So yeah, got them all on here. Oh, don't mind. We're in cleanup mode around here still. Let me get focused here. There we go. Anyway, so yeah, these were all just, you saw them earlier. Yeah, much better. Much better. Oh, it's a cat over there. Anyways, yeah, no, he's like, hey, Dad, I need to do some practicing for school. I got a welding test, I think he said, coming up. So he was like, we're gonna do it. Yeah, not bad for beginner.
So it's bad.
I didn't say it was bad. Oh, see, there we go. Look at that. See, pretty good. See, that's good. That's good right there. I know guys that are 50 that can't weld that good. He's like, yeah, whatever. Anyway, so that was today's project. That's going to be so much nicer. Having all those easily get to them, not scattered everywhere. Oh, yeah.